guys, feeding our chickens today. I've got a trusty assistant of Grace Snow today. Got Han Solo. Hi guys, please subscribe. Anyway, goodbye. Leave you on the floor. Help me. Feeding our chickens. Goodbye. So hey guys, feeding our chickens. Well, I am. So let's go to our chickens and feed them. They're already out, so hopefully we've got some eggs though. Hopefully we've got some eggs. Yeah, so we'll feed them some corn. Say hi guys. Bark bark. Hi. Look, chickens. Bark bark. So, corn. This is some corn. Feed them some corn. So guys, put in the comments how many eggs you think there's going to be. 0, I think it's going to be. So yeah, let's go. Two eggs, guys. So yeah, we'll just feed the chickens. So yeah, guys, basically next video, guys, is going to be a goal. I'm going to call it goal 10. I'm going to have a couple of episodes scoring a goal. So that'll be a fun video, I think. So yeah, say bye, chickens. Sorry I didn't upload last night, guys. I was getting my hair cut, so yeah, I didn't have time to upload anyway. So yeah, so remember to like and subscribe to chickens. Yeah, sorry Grace was out here to do this today, guys. Remember to go watch my previous videos. Just remember to like and subscribe. Yeah, seriously. So see you guys in my next video. Put in the comments if you want me to get an intro. I'll ask Harry if he can get me an intro. Yeah, so remember to like and subscribe. Peace.